This is gonna blow your mind. Most people stay broke not because they don't work hard, but because they never fix these 7 invisible habits. But the last habit I reveal, that's the one keeping 90% of people poor, and they never see it coming. Don't miss it. If you're still broke in 2025, it's not because you're lazy. It's because invisible money habits are quietly draining your future. You work hard, follow the rules, but your money vanishes every month. It feels like running on a treadmill. Lots of effort, no progress. Others seem to get ahead, and you wonder what you're missing. The truth? It's not a secret. It's a system. Small habits that quietly lock you in a financial prison. I'm an accountant. I've seen what keeps people poor, and it's not luck or a high-paying job. It's daily unconscious choices that shape your financial destiny. These habits are so normal, you don't even see them as the enemy. Today, I'll reveal the 7 habits silently robbing your wealth and how to break them. Watch closely. What you do next could change your life. The first habit is lifestyle creep. The urge to upgrade your life every time you get a raise. You get a promotion, and suddenly it's a new car, a bigger apartment, fancier dinners. But your expenses rise with your income, and you're still living paycheck to paycheck, just with nicer stuff. I see this all the time. Income's double, but savings barely budge. The golden handcuffs tighten. Going back feels impossible. Society tells us to reward hard work with spending, but the wealthy reward themselves by building assets. The fix? When you get a raise, increase your savings rate before your lifestyle. Automate a portion of every raise into investments. Pay your future self first. Enjoy some of your raise, but secure your financial future first. Every dollar from a raise is a fork in the road. Comfort now or freedom later. Choose to inflate your investments, not just your lifestyle. Make it a rule. Every time your income goes up, your savings go up first. Don't let your success become a cage. Next time you get a raise, resist the urge to upgrade everything. Upgrade your future instead. That's the real reward for your hard work. And it's the only upgrade that pays you back for life. The second habit keeping people broke: no budget. Budgets aren't about restriction, they're about intention. Without one, you're flying blind, hoping for the best while your money disappears. Most people have no idea where their money goes. Tiny, unplanned purchases bleed them dry. When I work with clients, tracking spending for 30 days is always eye-opening. They realize their money isn't vanishing. It's being spent unconsciously on things that don't matter. Without a plan, emotions drive your spending, and that's a recipe for staying broke. The fix: create a zero-based budget. Give every dollar a job before the month begins. Assign money to rent, food, savings, investments, even fun. This forces you to make conscious choices and see the real cost of habits. Use any tool, an app, a spreadsheet, or pen and paper. Spend 1 hour planning your next month's money. That hour will be the most profitable of your year. A budget is your roadmap to wealth. Stop flying blind. Take control and watch your money work for you. Don't be a passenger in your financial life. Be the pilot. Your future self will thank you. The third habit: relying on credit cards for everyday spending. For most, credit cards are a way to buy what they can't afford. An expensive mistake. That $5 coffee on a card you don't pay off, it could cost $7 with interest. Multiply that by every purchase and you're paying a broke tax on your life. The wealthy use credit differently. They pay in full, use debt only to buy assets, not stuff. The poor use debt for consumption. The rich use it for investments. Credit card companies want you to blur this line. Don't fall for it. The fix: use cash or debit for daily spending. Only spend what you have. When the money's gone, you stop spending. Credit cards erase that limit. Keep credit cards for emergencies or building credit, not for daily use. Treat your credit card balance like it's on fire. Pay it off fast. This one shift saves you thousands and puts you on the path to wealth. Don't make banks rich at your expense. Switch to a cash mindset and keep your future income for yourself. That's how you break the debt cycle. Habit 4 is impulse shopping, fueled by social media and endless ads. Your phone is a personalized shopping mall designed to trigger your brain and drain your wallet. Each small impulsive buy feels harmless, but together they destroy your ability to save. The real danger: opportunity cost. Every $50 impulse buy could be $500 in your future if invested. Social media creates a cycle of comparison and consumption. Don't let it control you. The fix: use the 24-hour rule. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait a day. Add it to your cart, walk away, and let the urge fade. After 24 hours, ask, do I really need this? Is it worth more than my financial freedom? Most of the time, you'll skip the purchase and save money. Keep a log of what you almost bought. You'll be shocked at how much you save. This isn't about deprivation, it's about conscious spending. Try the 24-hour rule for a week and see the difference. You'll save money and feel more in control. Take your power back from the algorithm. Your future self will be grateful. Habit 5 is the most ironic. Working for money your whole life, but never learning how it works. You spend years in school, but almost no time learning about personal finance. That's why so many fall for scams, drown in debt, or fail to save for retirement. It's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to fix it. The good news? Financial education is everywhere. Books, podcasts, YouTube. The fifth, commit to learning one thing about money every week. Read a chapter, listen to a podcast, or watch a video. In a year, you'll know more than 90% of people. Start with the basics: budgeting, investing, credit scores, taxes. Read The Psychology of Money or The Simple Path to Wealth. Follow creators who break down complex topics. Don't let another year go by working for money you don't understand. Investing in your financial education pays the highest dividends. Make this the week you start. Your future wealth depends on it. Habit 6 is delaying investing, waiting for the right time. People say, I'll start when I have more money. But that's financial poison. Time is the most powerful force in wealth creation. Compound interest needs years to work. Starting early, even with small amounts, beats starting late with more. Example, invest $200/month at 25 or $400/month at 35. The early starter wins big. Every day you wait is money lost forever. You don't need a lot to start. Fractional shares and zero commission apps make it easy. The best strategy, buy low-cost index funds consistently. The fix, open an account today, automate a small transfer, and let time do the work. Don't wait to pay off every debt. Start investing now, even if it's just $25 a week. The perfect time to start was years ago. The second best time is now. Don't let the myth of later steal your future. Your age is your greatest advantage. Use it. Start small, start simple, but start now. That small seed will grow into real wealth. The final habit, your social circle. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, especially with money. If your friends normalize debt and overspending, it's almost impossible to build wealth. Their habits and beliefs seep into yours, often without you noticing. The fix, curate your financial environment. Spend more time with people who value saving, investing, and growth. Join online communities, attend meetups, or start a money club. Surround yourself with people who celebrate discipline, not consumption. As your circle changes, so will your habits and mindset. Saving will feel smart, not weird. Investing will feel exciting, not scary. Your environment will lift you up or drag you down. There's no neutral. Take a hard look at your circle. Are they helping you build the life you want? Choose to surround yourself with the habits and mindsets you want to adopt. These habits may seem small, but they steal decades of your life. Break them, and you build wealth no one can take away. The difference between who you are now and who you could be in 10 years isn't luck. It's breaking these 7 cycles. Knowledge is potential power. Action is real power. Pick one habit to fix this week. Don't try to do it all at once. Start small. Track your spending, try the 24-hour rule, or open an investment account. The momentum from one win will fuel the next. If you're serious about change, join this channel. This is your new circle. What you do today decides where you stand in 10 years. You're one decision away from financial freedom. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and join us on your journey to financial success. Your future self will thank you.